Hello, my name's Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Audi. Here we have a brand new Audi A3 Sportback S line finished in the very stylish Python yellow. It's a 1 litre petrol sporting the S Tronic gearbox, just fantastic and looks amazing, I must say. I'm sure you'll agree. Exterior features do include the Matrix LED headlights, as well as the optional 18-inch 5 spoke style alloys contrasted with the sporty exterior styling. It's got the rear privacy glass there working well with the yellow finish. Generous amount of boot space, very practical, no trouble fitting and shopping all bags in. Let's move on to the interior. We've got that full black leather finish, very comfortable to be in. Central armrest does fold down nice and easily. Very modern and stylish interior. This vehicle does come equipped with the optional Technology Pack Pro, which does include the sunroof, letting a lot of natural lighting. Got the front sport seats, the S-line embossing. And these are electrically adjustable and do come equipped with a 4-way electric lumbar support for added comfort. Got the Bang & Olufsen sound system, as I have previously mentioned, comes as part of the Technology Pack Pro. Huge amount of features included in that package. Got the full electric windows, all your lighting controls, and onto your leather multifunctional steering wheel. Now on the left hand side you get your display controls, on the right you get your Bluetooth and audio, so as having your cruise control located just behind the steering wheel. Moving on to Audi Virtual Cockpit now. You can access a huge range of multimedia features, all with the touch of a button. Does also add a personal touch to the vehicle, which is always nice to have. Onto your central touchscreen display. On here you've got your DAB radio, AM and FM, as well as your Apple CarPlay. I'll insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. It's nice and easy to do. Moving on from this, you've got your Audi Drive Select, all depending on your preference in terrain, so always nice to have an option. Got your Bluetooth connectivity, can be set up nice and easily, as well as your navigation, which is perfect venturing out and about. Very responsive, as you can tell. For those who do struggle with parking, you've got the full 360-degree camera, giving you full coverage of the vehicle, allowing you to target certain areas there as well. To further your confidence, you've got the park assist function as well. Moving down, got dual zone climate control, as well as your front heated seats, keeping you nice and warm. Audi Phone Box, allowing you to wirelessly charge your smartphone device whilst driving, fantastic for when you're on the road. Start stop, S Tronic gearbox, and your leather centre armrest with storage underneath there as well. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01228 371 516 or inquire online now.